You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this town or city in Spain. If you want to learn useful Spanish vocabulary and famous places around Spain, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you around Alicante, pronounced in Spanish as Orihuela. Yes, the short rolled R, Ori. The H is not pronounced, so don't worry about it. Orihuela, Orihuela. Stress on the E syllable. Orihuela in English. The pronunciation is as Orihuela. From Spanish pronunciation, Orihuela. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.